How is everybody today? Today's eyeshadow look is going to be purple. Milani palette. I'm going to use the two purple in there. This is a purple shimmer and this purple. Let us start this beautiful day with love, happiness, laughter. I can't even start because my eyes are not big. I'll be back. Okay, this purple eye look is being done as an IG challenge with Lauren Johnson Coleman. She's on IG. The Warrior Queens, Queens Challenge. We're doing a purple look. A little fun fact, story time about me. My mom was born in a French island. How she ended up in Dominica, I don't know. When she was alive, I asked her many questions, but she herself didn't know. She said from what she could remember, because when she ended up in Dominica, she said she was a child. She said her mom left Guadeloupe, went to Dominica to take care of my mom's grandmother, which is her mom's mom. Hopefully I'm making sense. So she said that when her mom went to take care of her mother looked like she was worse off. Her mom was sicker than they thought. So my mom's mom, it's like a lot of moms in there, so try to keep track. Stayed to take care of her mother. And because of that, my mom's mother asked someone to bring my mom and her brother to Dominica for her. So my mother said that from what she know and what she was told, the person just came, got what they had, and dropped them to their mother in Dominica. So she had to create a whole new identity as she got older, because then her mom eventually got sick and died also. So I don't know my grandmother on mother's side. I only know my great grandmother. And I used to call her Manna. I was a very, very strong woman. When I was old enough to understand, Manna had a huge sore. I think it was her right leg. I don't remember which leg at this point, because I'm talking back in the 70s. And we had to take care of it every day. She took care of it. We just, help her. Some days I would help her. She'd wake up in the morning, clean it with iodine, and then dress it with Band-Aid. And when she finished, she would take a big Band-Aid and wrap it up so it can stay all day. And she did that every morning and every night. I don't ever remember this thing healing. It looked better, but that was that. And I think that maybe was diabetes back then, but I guess lots of people didn't know about that. So that's what I remember. And I was a little I was a little mischievous child. She would call me, and sometimes I would be like, don't call me, I want to go out and play. And she would say, T mamzelle, vini ici. That means, little girl, come here. I'm also using the culture palette. Okay, let's see if I remember all the colors I use on this eye to put on this eye, or else we'll just have a fun disaster makeup, okay? Bigger than the other, so we might have a problem here with the colors. So now you get to see how big one eye is. And I remember all the colors. Isn't that interesting? Usually that don't happen. One eye is bigger than the other. Thank God I have an eye. I have two good ones. Today's Instagram purple eyeshadow challenge look. This is what I created. Lauren Johnson Coleman is on Instagram. You can go check her out. She puts out all these challenges and we choose which one we want to do. Again, today's inspirational, encouraging word is spiritual. Spiritual. Whatever spiritual journey that you are on, navigate it and explore it and try to enjoy every step of the way. Some days might be harder than others because on our spiritual journey we learn things about ourselves, about others that we might not want to, but it happens. That's what it is. We cannot change it. So have a little grace and mercy and faith in your spiritual journey. It's not to be accomplished today or tomorrow. It is a journey for a reason. I hope you took your palettes out today because I played with 2 palettes. And I hope you had a magical time creating something beautiful. Be beautiful, stay creative, and I love you. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I simply make up a saying, life is short. Very, very short. Enjoy it to the fullest, the best, safest way you can. Again, this is my look. Bye.